In this video, I am going to show you how we can configure OSPFv3 on Cisco router. So here is my topology, and this is my these are my IP addresses that have been configured on these routers. And I will be very brief in this video because I have already done the configuration. And we will just configure the uh, IPv6 routing. All the IP addresses have been already configured on the routers, as you can see here. So here is my show IPv6 interface brief. So I have manually given the link local address because it will aid us in troubleshooting. As you know, if you configure any IP address and then link local address is automatically generated using the MAC address, but you can assign the same IPv6 address, IPv6 link local address because it doesn't go beyond your local interface, local network. So we can assign the same IPv6 address here. So I will tell you what is the command to configure this. This is the command IPv6 address fe80::1 link local. So this is R1 uh, router one, and we have chosen the one number. You can give it any number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you want. So same for the other routers also. And for this LAN side PC, so remember to when you configure this topology in GNS3, you have to use the 7200 series router. It will not work on 2691 or below that. And all the commands are supported in 15 version of Cisco router, not 12 version. So if you are new to GNS3, just obtain the image from cisco.com or whatever place you like. I know already there are multiple images available on the internet, so you can try your 7200 image. And to for the VPS part, that is our local PC that simulating. So use this command. I will write it in Notepad. Use this command IP. Give your IP address directory is 0:2 /64. So you don't need to specify IPv6. It will automatically consider it once you give the /64. So this is the way to configure the VPCS. So just also remember you have to save this file to save. Give the file name PC1, and when you reopen your topology next time, you have to use this command load PC1, and it will automatically load your IP address configuration which is given to you. So now for the IPv6 routing part, first of all, you should be clear on the LSA types because it is theoretical. I'm not going to cover in this video, and these are the interfaces. As you can see here, the these R1, R2, and R3 up to this interface. R will be in area 0 and rest will be R3 and R4. This interface will be in R4. So this will become your ABR, area border router, because it is connecting your area 34 and area 0. So this will be the transit area also. R3. R3 will be the ABR, and let's configure it. So first of all, use this command to enable the IPv6 routing, IPv6 unicast routing, and then configure the router OSPF3 process ID. Then give it a router ID 192.168.1.1. This is absolutely necessary because if you don't give the router ID, then you will not be able to communicate with the other routers. Now go to the interface. Here you will have to give the command OSPFv3 1 IPv6 area 0. Just repeat the same command. This is the command to check the IPv6 routing table. Now go to R2. V3 1. Because it has given you the error, just enable it, then re-enter, then give the router ID. They should be unique. Exit interface FA0 by 0. OSPFv3 IPv6 area 0. So now your neighborship has been up on the R2 and R1. Now go to the router 3. Enable, and here you need to router OSPF v3 1. Router ID will be 192.168.3.3. So just pay attention to your interfaces, because our 0 by 0 should be in area 0. And this should be area 34. And on R4, enable the IPv6 routing, and then with the router OSPF router ID 4.4 exit IPv6, sorry, 1 IPv6 area 34. So we have configured the IPv6 on all the routers. Let's check if we can ping from this PC to this PC, because this is in area 0 and this is in area 34. So use the ping command 2001 BB8 0:1. So ping is successful. It means that your connectivity is there, and you have successfully configured the OSPF v3 on Cisco router. Thanks for watching.